So guys, we are inside our sample project. Let's import a video as overlay and marks the video with a circle. Now suppose we want to put text around this circle. For that, let's insert our text. Suppose we are done with our text, select edit, then select the fourth option. Now tap on this button, choose the first one, move the slider to the left to make a circle. Also, if we move to the right, we can able to flip the text. Now just adjust the spacing and the size. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.